Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I've got this wooden tray that has a very nasty crack. I hope you can see it. It's a good on the other side, but this side is really bad. And we will try to save it by pouring a nice acrylic pour on top of it, and then probably we will seal it with epoxy resin, but we will see how it goes. But first of all, we need to sand a bit. I'm gonna use the sanding sponge. It's actually all-purpose sanding sponge, and we will try to remove this crack so it's not that high compared to the rest of the tray. So there you go. That is much better. So now I will wipe it with a bit wet paper towel to remove any dust. There you go. This is what we have. Setting this aside as we're going to mix our colors. So the colors that we are going to be using today are yellow neon, then we have lime tree, then we have aqua, and obviously black color. The recipe is usual: 1 part of the paint, 1 part of the Elmer's school glue, and then half of the part is going to be a water. Plus I will be using 100% silicone. So the lubricant I'm going to spray only to the bright colors, not the black one. We are going to be using a flip cup method. This is what we have. I'm gonna use a stick and just make 1 line. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna cover it right in the middle. Ooh. I kind of like these little drops. That is, by the way, looks really, really beautiful. So now we're gonna use torch. I really love it the way it looks. So now we're going to move it slowly in order not to ruin all those precious cells. Honestly, this is so beautiful. Oh my god. Actually, that's it. No more movement. It should stay the way it is.